On the left hand side on this blue screen you see a list of general ledger accounts which represent all the general ledger accounts you have in Evolution. So these are not generic accounts. The blue section is your actual values extracted from Evolution, and we're going to select not 12. I think I'm going to go back to 5. That suits me better. So now I have 5 actual columns from March to July, and that will give you a basis to work from. Moving across to the right, we have a white section that gives us our working area. Our working area simply allows us to take our previous actual figure and make amendments to it. We now move on to our orange section. The orange section is very easy to explain. It takes your new budget, the annualized budget, and divides it by 12 and equally spreads it over 12 months for every general ledger that we have. Theoretically, we could just say validate and import, and we could import all those values. Our job is done and we can move on to something else. However, that's not necessarily very practical because we may not have all our ducks in a row and say the cost of sale. We still have to have a look at, so we're going to skip this import. We're also going to skip the discount. We're going to adjust some other accounts. Advertising we know, commissions we know, but here we just add some skips into it because we're not ready to do those forecasts yet. So off we go, we press the validate button and we say OK, and we go into Evolution. Before, however, we do that, I'm going to move on to a green section which tells us what is in Evolution at the moment, and if you're paying close attention, that's actual already budgeted values in Evolution. If we change, you will see that our budget here is 213,500. Our budget that we had previously in Evolution is more like 178. If you do the update Evolution button, you will see that the Evolution will change. Validate and update. We say OK to that, and now it tells us it has successfully updated in Evolution. We say OK to that. We go to the far right, and you will now notice that all the values which were on 178,000 have now moved to 213. That, in essence, is our bulk update into Evolution. If you have any more questions, please email us or call us, and we're more than happy to do another presentation or give you a formal quote as to how much this will cost you. Thank you, and enjoy the rest of your day.